The container is a device which functions in a pop-up manner and which contains coding objects. The container functions as an extension to the coding form and is very useful for simplifying the coding form or for preserving screen real estate. In this demonstration, we are showing the screen boundaries for an iPhone and how the container can be very useful. We have placed the two primary event buttons in an exclusive link cluster. To place a container in the coding form, click on the container icon in the toolbar. By default, a new container will be in its expanded state. A container may be collapsed or expanded manually by clicking the circular symbol. A container, when selected, will be backlit with a purple hue. The container will resize itself to accommodate the coding objects within it. To place coding objects in a container, first highlight the container and then place objects and assign properties to them in the same manner as the main coding form. A container may be activated and expanded or deactivated and collapsed by a link from an event, pop-up tag, or tag button. When we go to code mode and we click on either of the two primary event buttons, you will see the container at work.